I'm interested in redoing my kitchen, and here at FirstBuild we have this beautiful demo kitchen with all these really nice appliances, but there's one thing that stands out every time I come in here, and it's this. This knife block is dumb, let's make it smart. Now what do I mean by smart? I don't ever want to sharpen my knife again. The knife block can hide all the mechanisms for an automatic knife sharpener, and that's what I'm after. But you may be like, oh, but there's plenty of these things out there that can sharpen your knives. They got the little pull-through ceramic things. I've got one, I hate it. I've got an automatic one with a spinning grinder stone. It messes up my knife and I screw it up. I don't want wet stones. I don't want to have to go through this entire process just to have a sharp knife. I want the machines to do it for me, and I want it to be wrapped in a really beautiful package, and I believe that here at FirstBuild, we can make that happen. Now, I 3D printed this model that just looks nice but doesn't do anything. In CAD, I've got it modeled up so that the same process of sharpening your knives with whetstones and honing the edges with like a leather strop would be on the inside of the block. That every time you take the knife and you place it inside the block, it is held securely in place. Fancy insides are gonna know exactly where the edge is and sharpen it along that radius. I imagine it can be app controlled so that if somebody accidentally boogered up your knife when they weren't supposed to, put it back in the block, sharpen it up real quick, it goes through the cycle, then when you pull it back out, it is good to go. So, are you like me? Do you like cooking but don't want to keep your knife sharp all the time? Do you want the device to be able to do it for you? You gotta let us know in the comments below. FirstBuild operates on feedback from you, the viewer, the community. We want to know, is this something that we should pursue, or does the idea suck and when it needs to die on the vine? You gotta stop now, go down in the comments and let us know. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna keep working on this.